Have you ever heard the statement that you never get a second chance to make a first impression? Well, in this video, you're about to discover 7 mistakes and first impression blunders that 99% of the professionals make that keep them average in their communication. So check this out.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, your practical public speaking mentor and creator of the Confident Speaker Conference, where I help you become confident speaker and a great leader so that you can achieve all your dreams in your life. And in this video, you're about to discover 7 first impression blunders that most people make. So when you come to the Confident Speaker Conference, we talk a lot about how to become a confident speaker, how to master your first impression, but these are the 7 mistakes, okay? So if you already are coming to the Confident Speaker Conference, make sure you go through this video before coming to the event. And if you have not, you can't join the program anymore. I don't know until when, because the programs are completely full for this year. Maybe you can apply next year. So first impression blunder number 1 is looking too serious. Most people do that, right? Today, I want to talk about 17 leadership ideas. Okay, you can't be so serious. You have to have that fun, because most people like to be entertained. Now, I'm not asking you to be Kapil Sharma, but I'm asking you to have a little smile on your face, maybe make sure you're gelling with people. Otherwise, first impression is gonna go bad. So don't be too serious. Mistake number 2 is using too many ums and ahs. The next point is basically, these are called fillers. Ums, ahs, knows, like. Hey, what's your name? My name is Bishal. Why? Right? These are fillers. These actually make you look bad as a speaker. So if you want to become a confident speaker, make sure you avoid this mistake. Blunder number 3 is low confidence. Remember, people buy confidence, and I don't mean buy in a transaction basis. People get sold on confidence. So if you're not confident, that's a big mistake. And first impression blunder number 4 is dressing like an average man. Look, when you're giving a presentation to people or when you're going for a party, you have to dress the part. Now, I'm at the beach enjoying a great time. I don't need to wear a suit right now, but I'm dressed for the occasion. So you have to dress for the occasion. So maybe if everybody else is wearing t-shirt, maybe you wear a semi-formal shirt. If everybody's wearing a semi-formal shirt, you wear a formal shirt. If everybody's wearing formals, you wear a blazer, maybe a pocket square. Dress the part, otherwise it's gonna be a big mistake for you. First impression blunder number 5 is poor body language. See, your body language is more powerful than your spoken language. So it's not just about the words you're saying, but it's about how you're using it. So you have to use your hands, you have to use your movement, the gestures, the facial expressions in the right way, and we talk more about it at the Confident Speaker Conference. The big blunder number 6 is using weak words, your vocabulary. I'm not talking about using hard words, but using the right words. When you decide to come to the Confident Speaker Conference, I'm going to show you exactly how to master your vocabulary so that you can absolutely use the right words at the right time to express yourself. And first impression blunder number 7 is not connecting your audience with your personality. So your personality has to be approachable. You should be a leader. You should not be somebody that everybody can just come to you all the time. But you should be somebody that people can connect with your personality. So maybe you can talk about your story. For example, quick example. Can I give you an example? Can I give you an example? Did you say yes? Okay, here's the deal. When people come to know that I was not born in a rich family, I came from an average, family. I came from a middle class family and grew up there. When people come to know about that, that connects people. Because look, I'm not Bill Gates, man. I'm not Steve Jobs. I'm a guy who came from a middle-class family and from a small town, and I had dreams and vision, and now the impact that we get to make, it's because of the confidence that has been developing inside me, and you have the same power to develop that confidence inside you. So these are the 7 mistakes. These are the 7 blunders that you need to avoid. So go through them and I hope that you prosper. That's my tip for you right now. And like I said, if you want to know more about the Confident Speaker Conference, jump on a call with one of our team members, schedule a call. And if they don't get back, just wait for a few days, maybe send us an email and we'll get back to you. But I'm having an amazing time here. Going to be heading out in a few minutes, but Vishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.